Hey guys, happy Friday. We made it through our second week of online learning, and I just wanted to make my last video for this week, which I'll still continue doing, to show you guys what you have today for work. Today's is very important that you watch this and all the way through, because I'm going to show you at the very end everything that you have due today by the end of this week, so by the end of Friday. So I'm going to show you the Day 10 Friday announcements post that I've already created for you guys. And basically what I did at the top is I still included all of the Zoom video chat links for you guys. So I put the time for your math one, just to remind you, and each math teacher's link there. And then for our homeroom reading and writing Zoom, same time every day. And also I put the link as well below that. And then what you're going to do is watch this video you're watching now today. Go ahead and look at the morning meeting slide after this for Friday and comment on that so I can see who's been logging in throughout the day and take attendance with that. And then click on the checklist that's attached to this post and read everything that's in the Friday column. You can even look on this checklist, the on level and the advanced math. Remember, it just is different based only on math work. Everything else is the same. But I highly recommend opening it up and looking through it all, not just for Friday today, but also for the week, and see that you've checked off everything throughout the week, okay? After you've done that, you need to start on your math and go to Khan Academy. A lot of you have specific things that you need to finish up today for the week. So for my math class, my advanced math class, I assigned everything as of yesterday, but it was a lot from Wednesday and Thursday, so it's all due today. So everything you see this morning for my math class is due today. If you're in Miss Watts, Miss Gilmore's, Miss Fason's math class, everything you see also is due today. Also, once you finish all your Khan Academy lessons, you're going to see a quiz at the end of all of those lessons on Khan Academy, and that quiz is what Miss Watts, Miss Gilmore, and Miss Fason are really taking a big grade on, okay? So when you see that word quiz on Khan Academy today, that is what you need to complete more than anything, but it's based off of everything you watched for videos this week and lessons. Writing is due today, your trampoline opinion writing. So on Monday, you should have read and annotated and planned out your essay. On Tuesday, you should have done your introduction. On Wednesday, you should have done body paragraph 1. On Thursday, you should have done body paragraph 2. And today, if you're following along with this like timeline, I guess, you're writing the conclusion. And I've attached to the bottom of this post a modeled conclusion video that Miss Watts created for you guys. It's also on the trampoline opinion writing assignment. It is attached to that as well. Oops. Sorry about that. So make sure you finish up that trampoline writing today. You should have at least an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So a total of 4 body paragraphs. And please edit and revise that and see if maybe a parent or a sibling at home, or if you want to share it with a friend, can look at it for grammar and spelling mistakes, because you don't want to waste your time and get points taken off for that when you could have easily had somebody look at it. So conclusion and editing is today. And then make sure when you're done that you click the turn in button. Don't just be like, I'm done, I'm going to close out of the screen. Click the turn in button so I actually get it submitted to me. For specials today, it's Spanish, like you would have every Friday anyway if we were at school. So check out the assignment for Spanish under the title Specials. For reading, all I did for the helpful videos for today, Friday, I just reposted to Friday's helpful videos the 4 reading videos you've already seen this week. Mondays was Miss Watts, Tuesday was Ms. Fason, Wednesday was me, and Thursday was Miss Gilmore. So I just reposted those 4 on theme and summarizing to the tab that says Friday's helpful videos. You have your ReadWorks passages due today. You will not be seeing a new ReadWorks passage. Well, let me rephrase that. You had 4 ReadWorks passages this week, 4. So make sure that you have completed all 4 by the end of today. Don't think that if you see 4, you're missing one and there should be a 5th one. There's not. You're actually going to make sure all 4 are done, and then I'm going to type this in right here. You're going to get on iReady Reading today, and not only should you have 45 minutes and 2 lessons passed by the end of today, but you will have a quiz today on iReady. It's actually just going to be an assigned lesson that I'm taking as a quiz grade, and it's going to be on I'm blanking. Oh, theme and summarizing, the 2 skills that you guys did this week. Okay, So get on iReady today, make sure you finish that quiz and that you have 45 minutes and 2 lessons. The assigned lesson that you do today for your quiz counts towards your minutes and lessons, so do that. And read to self. And then just a reminder, this week your work is graded. And I've included here the things that I'm taking for a grade this week. I'm just typing something to make sure it is updated. So you have your opinion writing due today, all 4 of your ReadWorks passages with the questions that have come after them that's due today for each of my reading groups, each reading group was assigned 4 passages. So look at those. All of your Khan Academy lessons and those you've been doing throughout the week, and make sure you've watched all the videos because it shows whether those are completed or not. On iReady Reading, 45 minutes and 2 lessons passed. Work on the quiz, which is the assigned lesson for today. And again, that assigned lesson that is taken as a quiz grade today counts towards those 45 minutes and 2 lessons. And then lastly, on iReady Math, make sure you have 45 minutes and 2 lessons passed. No quiz for math on that because you have a quiz on Khan Academy, but you still have to have 45 minutes and 2 lessons. Make sure you check in with your math teacher on Zoom today at 10:30 if you need it, if you have questions about what's due today or anything about math. And then check in with me at the 1 p.m. Zoom if you have questions about reading, writing, or anything. Everything's going to be open today until, honestly, midnight. I would like for it to be done sooner because I want to take the grades and do it late at night and before I go to bed. But if you need till midnight to get everything done, I understand, and I can still look at those tomorrow. But after Friday, I will not take any more grades, okay? So reach out to me if you have questions, and check this whole post to make sure you have everything done today and everything that is due today for the end of the week's grades right here. And watch your videos if you need help with anything. And I will see you guys on Zoom if you need it, okay? Bye. Happy Friday.